Question 14. In the figure above, what is the value of x? So here we see we're given a four-sided figure with x as 3 of the interior angles and 45 degrees as the other interior angle. Well, we should know that any four-sided figure, its interior angles add up to 360 degrees. So that means 45 plus x plus x plus x is equal to 360. So you can write that in an equation. So we have 45 plus, there's 3 x's, plus 3x is equal to 360. And then we just solve for x. So we can subtract 45 from each side, and we get 3x is equal to 315. Then we divide each side by 3 to find x. We get x is equal to 105. That means our answer has to be D.